Hey guys, look here. Today a quick review of the Milwaukee M18 Tire Inflator. It's a pretty new tool that Milwaukee came out with. This one is for the M18 battery system. So it will fit any size battery. We got a 4 here, and as you see, it just snaps right in. And there's still plenty of space to fit the larger sizes. Really cool unit. We'll just do a quick review, show you guys how it all works. But here's some of the feature. Basically, it's a workhorse. It's made for regular cars, it's made for big tires, it's good for a small commercial environment, it's accurate, it's high PSI, I think 150, and TrueFill Technology, meaning it's actually really accurate. I will go through all the features in a second. I just did a tire plug on this tire here, so gotta fill it back up. If you want to see how to plug a tire, check a link below. I have a video for that. And quick comparison, also to these guys. Well, I'm not going to go to detailed comparison, but if you guys want to see that, let me know. But basically, things like that, the backup ones for the car, absolutely, these things are just slow. The Ryobi one is pretty cool, but for inflating a full car tire, it will not be able to do it. It needs brakes. This beast will fill it up one shot. So let me show you how it all works. So at first glance, it's just a really cool looking unit. It looks like a beast, it feels like a beast, it's solid. It's protection from touching any hot parts here. In the back, you have a few accessories. Basically, the hose connects here, so it sits nice and tug. And the hose feels solid, heavy duty. Got an awesome brass connector that you just screw on, so no snapping features, nothing like that, less stuff to break. Comes with a regular inflatable pole toy connector. Comes with a sports ball basketball inflator, and then this little adapter for press the valves for bicycles and so on. So that's that. Once you turn it on, you have a units PSI. You hold that down, kPa, hold it down again, bar, hold it again, back to PSI. You have memory settings, meaning if you want to have presets, you have 4 presets. M1, 33, I already set that. Then 3 more here. And to set it, basically pick the PSI you want to be at. Let's say 28. I'm going to go memory 2, set it to 28. And then I hold the memory button on that setting. And now I set my memory. So M1 is 33. M2 is 28, and so on. So that's pretty cool. Then you can manually just set what PSI you want. It starts at 10, so you cannot go any lower than 10 for the auto settings, and I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. But you can set it to a specific setting. Connect this to your car. Just screw it on, and that's it. And now, once you set it to the right now, also auto detect. So it's already telling me we're at 24.5. So let's say I want to quickly get to 27. Set it. Push the button. So extremely fast. If I was going to use this Ryobi guy here, or a typical tire inflator, that will probably take a minute or 2. Extremely fast. Now let's say I want to do manual. I don't want to do the preset, right? So get rid of that, and you can just do manual push. As long as you hold it, it's inflating. Now let's say I want this tire to be at 33. I can either set it manually or go to my memory setting 1, which is 33, and I'll hit it. So that's doing a check right now to make sure it's accurate. It always goes over a couple of PSI, any of the inflators, because of the movement pressure, whatever you call it. And then we'll stop when it's ready. Another check, and it's good. Let's set it, it auto shuts off, and you're all set. That's simple. So now I want to show you guys how much it actually takes, how much time it takes to inflate up 10 psi total of almost a flat tire with a timer and all. But before I do that, I just wanted to show you another thing. If you take out the battery or turn it off, put it back in, you don't lose any of your memory set. Just click. You go back to your memory settings, it's all still there. So that's pretty cool. But anyway, we're gonna do a test. We're at 21 PSI right now. I'm gonna set this to 31, and we're gonna start it. It does its check. We're all set. So it took about 45 seconds, guys. If I use the little Ryobi inflator, which is not really meant for full tires, or the portable USB lighter inflators, will probably take 5-10 minutes at least. So that's really amazing, actually. And then obviously you can always go manually. Just get rid of the settings. There you go. And then you can just manually hold it as much as you want. So that's awesome. Let me show you guys quickly how to inflate a basketball, stuff like that, how that works, as it is minimum 10 PSI, but it still does the job. We're gonna get our adapter, and now we'll just screw it on. That's it. So this one we do a manual process, which is gonna be pretty quick. First I'm gonna see if this can test what the pressure is in the ball right now, and it did 2.5 PSI. So I can't do it automatic 10 because that's too much for a basketball. For bikes, stuff like that should be fine. So we're gonna go manual, and we're at 7, and that's it. We're all set. That's all we want to be at. Quick, easy. So that's it, guys. I hope this review was helpful for you. I personally love this tool. I will continue beating it up. Feel free to ask down the road comments below on how it's holding up and so on. But so far I'm very impressed. Definitely great for a home guy, mechanic. Great for an automotive shop, even for commercial purposes. This thing seems to have the specs, and it backs it up with it. I inflated already a couple dead tires completely, had no issue. It didn't overheat, the battery didn't drain, it seems to last, it's quick. Yeah, personally love it. Just an awesome upgrade compared to what I was using. And that's really it, guys. Please comment, questions, let me know. Subscribe, more cool how-to videos coming out, and have a great day.